भविष्यत् कालः पट् धातोः लृट् लकारः पठिष्यति पठिष्यतः पठिष्यन्ति पठिष्यसि पठिष्यथः पठिष्यथ पठिष्यामि पठिष्यावः पठिष्यामः. Earlier you have learnt lat lakarah, that is present tense. In lat lakar the verbs are declined with ti, taha, anti, si, thaha, tha, ami, avaha, amaha. Here also same ending, but instead of ti, taha, anti, it will be ishyati, ishyataha, ishyanti, ishyasi, ishyathaha, ishyatha, ishyami, ishyavaha, ishyavaha. Note the difference between present tense and future tense, and the simple difference is ishya. Now we will read again the lrit lakarah. Phat dhatoho lrit lakarah patishyati patishyatah patishyanti patishyasi patishyatah patishyatha patishyami patishyavah patishyamah. Let us move to next slide. Khad dhatoho lrit lakarah khadishyati khadishyatah khadishyanti khadishyasi khadishyatah khadishyatha khadishyami khadishyavah khadishyamah. One more verb. धाव धातोः लृट् लकारः धाविष्यति धाविष्यतः धाविष्यन्ति धाविष्यसि धाविष्यथः धाविष्यथ धाविष्यामि धाविष्यावः धाविष्यामः. Let us go to next slide. The list of verbs given here, you can see the first word in present tense as well as in future tense. The rest will be ti, taha, anti, si, thaha, tha, ami, avaha, amaha. This is the ending of all these verbs. Let me read. Kurdati in present tense, kurdishyati in future tense. Kupyati becomes kopishyati in future tense. Patati patishyati. Gumphati gumphishyati. Krudhyati becomes krotsyati. Kshipati kshepishyati. Atati atishyati. Archati archishyati. Khadati khadishyati. Likhati becomes lekhishyati. Jayati jeshyati. Pibati pasyati. There is a spelling mistake here. Pasyati. Yachati dasyati. Yachati becomes dasyati. Gayati becomes gasyati. Krishati karshishyati. Karoti karishyati. Tarati tarishyati. Tyajati tyakshyati. Tyajati becomes tyakshyati. Japati japsyati, not japishyati. Okay, don't mistake. Japsyati. Pashyati drakshyati. See, pashyati becomes drakshyati. Bhavati bhavishyati. Pachati pakshyati. Note the difference. Nayati, neshyati. Smarati, smarishyati. The next lesson is teaching the difference between present tense and future tense. So let us go to the next lesson, lesson number 6, Bhavishyat Kalaha, future tense. Katina Shabdartha, Ekaki, alone, Mama, my, Bhagini, sister, Kadali, banana, Amram, mango, Dadima, pomegranate, Adya, today, Shvaha, tomorrow, Kutra, where. Balakaha atra Sanskritam pathati. Balakaha, a boy. Atra, here. Sanskritam, Sanskrit language. Pathati, reads. A boy reads Sanskrit language here. Saha, shvaha, api, patham, patishyati. Saha, he. Shvaha, tomorrow. Api, also. Patham, to a lesson. Patishyati, will read. Patishyati, will read. Tomorrow also he will read a lesson. Chhatraha tatra dhavanti. Chhatraha, students. Tatra, there. Dhavanti, run. Chhatraha tatra dhavishyanti. Chhatraha, students. Tatra, there. Dhavishyanti, will run. Understand the difference between dhavanti, dhavishyanti. Pathati, patishyati. Next sentence. Hiranaha ghasam khadati. Hiranaha ghasam khadishyati. Hiranaha, a deer. Ghasam, grass. Khadati, eats. The next sentence. Hiranaha ghasam khadishyati. Khadishyati means will eat. It says future tense. It says future tense. Hiranaha, a deer. Ghasam, grass. Khadishyati, will eat. The deer will eat the grass. Tvam api bhojanam khadasi. Tvam, you. Api, also. Bhojanam, food. Khadasi, eat. You also eat food. Move on to next slide. Tvam api bhojanam khadishyasi. Khadishyasi. Khadasi, khadishyasi. Tvam api, you also. Bhojanam, food. Khadishyasi, will eat. You also will eat food. Yuyam chitram rachayatha. Yuyam chitram rachayishyatha. You all draw a picture. Rachayatha, present tense. Yuyam, you all, chitram, a photo, a picture. Rachayishyata, will make. You will draw a picture. You will make a picture. Aham satyam vadami. Aham, I. Satyam, truth. Vadami, speak. I speak the truth. Aham satyam vadishyami. Aham, I. Satyam, truth. Vadishyami, will say. I will say truth. Vayam asatyam na vadamaha. Vayam, we all. Asatyam, untruth. Na vadamaha, don't speak. We don't speak untruth, means lie. We don't speak a lie. Vayam asatyam na vadishyamaha. Vayam, we all. Asatyam, untruth or a lie. Na vadishyamaha, will not speak. We will not speak a lie. note the difference in the meaning between present tense and future tense. That is rachayatha, rachayishyatha, vadami, vadishyami, vadamaha, vadishyamaha. Now we move on to Vartalapa 1. I request all the learners should try to construct the sentences. Balakaha, balika, a girl and a boy are conversing. Tvam kim khadasi? Tvam kim khadasi? What do you eat? Balika. Aham phalani khadami. I eat fruits. I eat fruits. Shvaha api khadishyami. Shvaha api, tomorrow also. Khadishyami, will eat. Shvaha api khadishyami, I will eat tomorrow also. Kim tvam phalam na khadishyasi? Kim makes the question. Tvam phalam na khadishyasi? Don't you eat fruits? Then ahamapi phalani khadishyami. Yes. Ahamapi, I also. Phalani khadishyami. Phalani, fruits. Khadishyami, will eat. Yes, I will also eat fruits. Tvam kani phalani khadishyasi. Tvam, you. Kani phalani, what fruits? Khadishyasi, will eat. What are the fruits you will eat? Now balakaha. Aham kadali phalani, amra phalani, dadima phalani cha khadishyami. Cha says and. Aham, I. Kadali phalani, bananas. Amra phalani, mangoes. Dadima phalani, pomegranates. Cha and. Khadishyami, will eat. I will eat bananas, mangoes and pomegranate. So read the Vartalap once again and try to write your own sentences. Then Vartalapaha 2. Here Adhyapakaha, a teacher, Balakaha, a boy, both converse. Hey Balaka, O boy, Tvam adya sayam kutra gamishyasi. Tvam, you, adya, today, sayam, in the evening, sayankala or sayam, both are same. Kutra, where, gamishyasi, shya, will go. O boy, where will you go this evening? Then Balakaha, the boy is replying. Adhyapaka, O sir, Aham adya sayam Sangeeta sabham gamishyami. Adya, today, sayam, in the evening, Sangeeta sabham, music academy. Gamishyami, will go, shyami, will go. I will go to music academy this evening. Adhyapakaha, the teacher. Tvam, kim tvam ekaki gamishyasi? Kim tvam ekaki gamishyasi? Are you going alone? Will you go alone? Ekaki, alone. Gamishyasi, will go. Will you go alone? Athava, or tava janakaha api agamishyasi. Tava, your, janakaha, father, api, also, agamishyasi, will come. Your father also will come. So the teacher is asking, will you go alone or your father also will come? Then Balakaha, the boy is replying, Aham ekaki, aham, I, alone, na gamishyami, I will not go alone. Aham मम जनकः मम जननी भगिनी च गमिष्यामः. अहम ahi. Mama janakaha, my father. Mama janani, my mother. Bhagini cha, and my sister. Bhagini, sister. Gamishyamaha, will go. I will not go alone. Myself, my father, my mother, and my sister will go. Dear learners, kindly go through the conversation and try yourself. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha.